Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys. I hope y'all been checking out my videos, man. I've been putting in that work. Come on now. I know y'all see that. Go ahead and check out them videos, man. I'm not putting this shit up here for nothing, y'all. Come on, man. Tell your friend. Tell your mama to check out my channel. Tell them to subscribe, man. Y'all seen where they've been talking about Doja Cat is she a rapper or is she not a rapper? Like, what do y'all think? What do y'all think her lane is? Doja Cat. Because when I hear, honestly, like, I didn't really notice that was even a discussion until I heard the topic. I really thought she was kind of just pop. I never really did think she was just in the rapper category. I don't know, but then when I listened to her back, I was like, okay, let's see if she, is rapping. But I was like, okay, it's some bars in there. It's some bars. It's just a different style of rap, So I really didn't even pick that up until I played her back. But this is that new Doja Cat. So let's move on. This is called Vegas. Is this y'all favorite rapper right here? Doja Cat? I don't know if she crazy with the bar. She ain't no Eminem, or nothing. But she's in her own lane doing her own thing. I ain't trying to discredit her. She's doing her thing. Hey, y'all. She done put the old school in there. She done put the old lady, who granny is this? We should react to these old ladies that made songs like this. Just to see what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Do they even have, videos of this? I can dig them up. We can dig them up. We should react to some of the old people, the older ladies and the old fellas to see what their music sounded like. It might be cool to switch it up, Let's go, man.
Do not let me start raging. I'm losing my patience. This ain't staying in Vegas. There's more sides to the story. I'ma tell everybody. Had your ass in courtside with your arm around me. Had your ass in first class with your burnt ass out in Abu Dhabi. Could have been what we should have been, but you lost a bet. Now you gotta find me.
Look at everything going on in this video, man. She took us back to that old timey bar setting where the old heads get drunk and just going out for, drinks, and they going out to mingle. She took us back there and mixed it with the new day and age, modern music. I think that's dope. I think that's cool, because I wasn't expecting to hear that. I wasn't.
Player getting valeted, running that whole whip. 2 fingers up, 1 down with my toes 10. Flued out my boots out, put a cork in it. Love it when you be crying out when I'm corseted. I don't think you gon' make it. Do not let me start raging. I'm losing my patience. This ain't staying in Vegas. There's more sides to the story. I'ma tell everybody. Had your ass in courtside with your arm around me. Had your ass in first class with your burnt ass out in Abu Dhabi. Could have been what we should have been, but you lost a bet. Now you gotta find me. Find a seat. I ain't playing this hide and seek. High school when you finally peak. Hound dog come find a treat. I'm a bad bitch, but dog player. I get it.
Dog player, I get it. I fuck with that. I like that. I like it. You ain't nothing but a dog. I like that. That's catchy. What y'all talking about? Sleeping on Doja Cat for? I like it. I really think, shit, it's rap. The rest of the shit we listen to is rap. Shit. It's alright with me. It's alright with me, man. Hound dog. You ain't nothing but a... Oh, they're not in church. Oh, wow.
I get it. I know you got some other you want it. I get it. You needed someone that could prove you wrong. So I reckon you leave all of your problems at the door to my city. You gon' need to tell my brothers where you from, and I admit it. I still got empathy, and you gon' feel it for 2 weeks when I release you in them streets and keep my meaning discreet. Keep the...
Man, y'all gotta give Doja Cat some credit, man. Like, for real, this was very creative. This was really creative, man. And I heard that, y'all fact check me now, I hear she produces her own stuff. I don't know if she writes her own music or not. I don't know. I think this is still very good, man. Whoever put this together, if she put all this together, is she directing her own videos too? I like the look of the video, but I got to say, like, watching this and then hearing it, all of this was very creative. Very.
Clean my Jeep and put that Yeezy in your teeth. Let my deeds off they leashes if you even think to speak. I'ma give a whole new meaning when you said you live in a dream. We could keep it sleeping, you gon' laugh at all your G's. Count them sheep. Talking about Z. R.I.P.
Okay. I get it. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Okay. Now fuck with it. Who is that? Oh, y'all, this look like the Good Times portrait right here. The Good Times theme. What is it? The picture of Good Times. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Where they zoom across in slow motion and all of them dancing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Good Times. This is that picture. Let me just put maybe like Good Times dancing photo. I never know like how to search for shit on Google. Okay, here it is. Okay. That looks exactly like this picture. I don't know how to work my phone ever. But what I was getting ready to say was, when I let me scoot up a little bit. Here, like these clips right here, y'all. I was actually raised in a Baptist church for forever, like for a long period of my life, a long time in my life. Okay, my grandmama is a preacher. My aunts, they're preachers. Like, they are very into the church, a Baptist church. So it's just like seeing this man, and it's a little small church. Y'all know the little church out in the country with like 6 pews, maybe six rows, you know, a very small church. Like, I know everybody's name in there. I know where everybody gonna sit on Sunday. I know who gonna be running late. I know everything. I know who gonna just start out catching the spirit soon as they drop the beat. Like, I know this is how much I was in the church. Sunday, we had Bible study, Bible school. Oh, that was vacation Bible school. And then, you know, Bible study on Wednesday night. I'm there every day. I was the kid there on New Year's. You know what I'm saying? When 12 o'clock hit and everybody else kissing and at the club and out at the parties and the kickbacks, I was in church. That's what we was doing. This just gave me like a flashback to that time when I was so little, y'all. Like, it really did. Like, let's continue though. That's another side. Hey, I like that. I like that. And whoever done her braids, I don't know. I think y'all did a really good job, man. I like the way her braids look. She looked clean in this video, man. I don't know who did. Shout out to her hairstylist. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought about that video. We're going to see y'all in the next one, man. See y'all in the next one. You ain't nothing but a hound dog.